Now, after downloading and installing your IntelliJ IDEA, we are going to create first project inside Java. Here, inside my Windows search bar, I will search here IDEA and I will open my IntelliJ IDEA application. I will click here and then IntelliJ IDEA will be opening. Let's see. Here, you might see some kind of different screen, but here you have to always click on new project. And after that, here you can see my IntelliJ IDE has already detected the Java version which we have previously installed. So I will select my Java version 26 and here I will name my project as Core Java Mastery. Do not put spaces while creating project. While creating Java project, you should not use spaces. This is the name of my, let me change, core Java code base. This is the name of our project. And here I will click on this folder icon. And what I will do that if you have multiple drives, then I would suggest to create Java project inside D drive or C drive. But do not create Java project inside OneDrive project, inside OneDrive storage. You have to select D drive or C drive. And here I will create one folder with the name Java codes. Here, after creating and selecting this Java codes, I will select this folder and I will click on create. This way, our Java project will be created. This is my IntelliJ IDE. And in the next video, we will be learning how to create your first Java program and how to run it. That's all.